Friends, today we want to discuss the very important topic comprehension. Comprehension is very much important for classes 9th, 10th, 11th and 12th, even in the competitive examinations. Dear students, comprehension is a noun. The comprehend is a verb. What is the meaning of comprehend? Comprehend means understand. Students, you will find in the examination this topic unseen passages. The passages will be totally unseen, but you have to answer the questions for the examination point of view. Students, after more than 20 years experience, I have come to learn about the comprehension, reading unseen passages. I want to share with you. According to my experience, comprehension means read the passage, understand it and reply the given questions below the passage. So, the total meaning of the comprehension for the examination point of view, read the passage, understand the passage, contents and information and reply the questions given below the passage. Students, I want to tell you that there are some things we should not do while doing the unseen passages. What is? Not end. You should not do this question at the end of the time. You are given 3 hours in the examination and 15 minutes for the reading. Students, I always advise my students to start the unseen passages first, not at the last. Second, आपको बहुत ही अटपटा लगेगा. I want to tell you that not reading the passage. पैसेज को रीड नहीं करना है, बल्कि हमने क्वेश्चंस को रीड करना है जो पैसेज के नीचे दिए हुए हैं. स्टूडेंट्स, आई वुड लाइक टू डिस्कस सम टिप्स, सम पॉइंट्स, सम स्टेप्स need to remember while doing the unseen passage. Number 1, attempt the first. The question number 1, unseen passage should be done at the starting or the beginning of the examination. Utilize the 15 minutes which are given for the reading. You should read the questions given below the passage. कभी भी पहले पैसेज नहीं पढ़ना चाहिए. I always suggest my students to read the questions given below the passage first. सबसे पहले हमने क्वेश्चन जो दिए हुए हैं वो पढ़ने चाहिए. Example, suppose you are given a passage in the examination and some questions are given below the passage. Who was Sam? What was Sam doing in the class? Why did Sam lie to the teacher? And students, after reading the questions, you have to read the passage. उसके बाद हमने पैसेज पढ़ना है. A passage is given in form of the paragraphs, paragraph 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5. While reading the passage, you have to adopt the policy of skimming and skipping. What is the meaning of skimming? Skimming means identify the keywords, identify the key information. पैसेज में जो की वर्ड्स है और की इंफॉर्मेशन है रिलेटेड टू द गिवन क्वेश्चंस, यू हैव टू आइडेंटिफाई. व्हाइल आइडेंटिफाइंग द की पॉइंट्स, यू हैव टू अंडरलाइन विद द पेंसिल द पैसेज. हाउएवर, इट इज नॉट अलाउड इन द एग्जामिनेशन. परीक्षा में इसकी कोई परमिशन नहीं होती है, फिर भी हल्का से पेंसिल के साथ आप अंडरलाइन कर सकते हैं. उसके बाद स्किपिंग. सपोज आई वॉन्ट टू गिव एन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ द लास्ट ईयर्स प्लस 2 एग्जामिनेशन. The very first question was out of 30 marks. Out of 30 marks, it was a passage of 700 to 800 words. There are only 500 words which are important in the passage, but rest of the words are unimportant. This is known as skipping. We have to avoid the unimportant informations, otherwise it will take a lot of time. नहीं तो समय ज़्यादा लग जाता है. Students, while reading the passage, underline the information related to the questions. 90% information, if you have read the question given below the passage, while reading the passage you will find 90% information or keywords related to the questions. The next point I want to discuss with you, the sequence. A passage is given in form of the paragraphs in sequence and questions are given below the passage. You will find the information related to the question first in the paragraph number first. 95% according to the samples of the examinations, the 95% questions, 95% informations and the key points related to the questions are given according to a sequence. You have to follow the sequence and identify the related information, possible answers of the questions related to the question given below the passage. Students, one more thing, most important thing I want to share with you, that in any examination for unseen passages or the comprehension, there are three type of questions given. MCQ questions, multiple choice questions. Last year 10+2 examination, the 5 questions were MCQ questions. Suppose one question is asked and 4 options are given. You will focus on the relevant information of the 2 questions. Out of 2, you will find 1 correct, and 2 questions may be unrelated or unimportant. So इसमें भी skimming और skipping का identification होना चाहिए. उसके बाद कंटेंट बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस आते हैं. कंटेंट बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस 5 क्वेश्चन 1 मार्क्स के होते हैं. उसमें यू हैव टू राइट द कंटेंट, और 3 क्वेश्चन 2 मार्क्स के होते हैं. दे आर रिटन इन 30 और 40 वर्ड्स in 2 or 3 lines. You have to focus on the content related to the question and given in the passage. You can write all the content in your own language, but contents given in the passage. So these are the content based question. Third question, word based question. Word based mean similar meanings, opposite meanings, synonyms and antonyms. Next point, words. Words mean synonyms and antonyms. 95% difficult words are the possible answers of the synonyms and antonyms given in the passage. A passage is categorized in the paragraphs, and the similar or the opposite words are asked. Find out the similar meaning of this word from para 3, para 2, para 4. And you have to make a guess. 95% difficult words are the related and the possible answers of the given synonyms and antonyms. So this is the point of the word based questions. Students, in the unseen passage, you have to focus on the context and the examples from passage only. If you want to give example in the content based questions, if you want to write the answer of the content based question, the related information, related context or examples are chosen from the passage, not from the outside. You have to keep in mind this information also. Students, while doing the unseen passage, you have to make a time management. You have to follow all the important points whatever I have discussed with you, and I assure you that you will get 100% marks in the unseen passage, whether you are taking the board examination or the competitive examination. Even in UPSC examination, SSC examinations, the comprehensions and related questions are given during the examination. And students, keep in mind all the points. In my next video, you will find the note making. I will discuss about the note making, which is very much important for 11th, 12th, 10th and 9th. Thank you, students. Have a good day. All the best.